Hello everyone, I'm Gautami Kota and I'm a third year CSM student at Gayatri Vidya Parishad College of Engineering. Today, I'll be demonstrating my latest project, Food Finder. This is a web application built on Flask for backend, simple HTML, CSS and JavaScript for frontend and Supabase for the database. And the data that I have used is from Zomato restaurants data which is available on Kaggle. This is the home page of my web application where you can get navigation for different features that are available. So let's explore each of them. The first feature is to search the nearby restaurants where you have to give the latitude and longitude of your current location or any location that you want to search for, and you have to give the radius within which you want to get the list of the restaurants. So by default it is 3, but you can also adjust it according to your need. So when you click on search restaurants, this will simply display the list of the restaurants which are available within the given range in multiple pages. So when you click on view details, this will navigate to a page where where it displays all the information available in the database of that particular restaurant. And the next feature is image search, where you can simply upload the image of the cuisine you want. And when you click on search restaurants, this will display the list of the restaurants which offer those cuisines. So for the food image classification, I am using MobileNet V2, a deep learning model pre-trained on the ImageNet dataset. When a user uploads an image, the model predicts the type of food and map it to the related cuisine and simply displays the list of restaurants offering those cuisines. And the next feature is all restaurant space, where you can get the list of the restaurants that are available in our database by default into multiple pages. Here there are 112 pages of the restaurants where each page contains 9 restaurants. So you can also filter the restaurants which are available here by different parameters like country, cuisine or cost. And you can also search for your favorite restaurants by its name. Suppose I'm giving Pizza Hut here. When you click on apply filter, you will get the details of the restaurants with that name. And you can also filter by country and by cost. Click on view details to get the details of the restaurant. You can also search or filter the restaurants by the type of cuisine you want. For example, when I give biryani, so we will get all the restaurants which satisfy the requirements of our filters. So this project is a step towards making restaurant search more intelligent and user-friendly by integrating filters, location-based search, and AI-powered image recognition. In the future, I'm planning to enhance this website by adding more features, and I'm also looking to deploy this project online, making it accessible for everyone. Thanks for watching.